And one thing you probably won't need to do over the forthcoming 5 days is water the garden. No shortage of weather fronts arriving to bring us some rain. You can see from the satellite picture there's another thick line of cloud. You can just about make out parts of Ireland there and southern parts of England, but a lot more cloud around today than we saw yesterday. And for those bank holiday celebrations, take your brolly, because we are expecting a few showers to turn up at some time during the course of today and through the night. You can see from the radar there some brighter colours. Some of the more heavy rain has been arriving across parts of North Wales, northern England, up into the borders of Scotland. And in general, far more cloud than we've seen recently. A lot of this cloud in the south is making the sunshine very hazy right now. So a travel warning for you. Heavy downpours of rain likely across the Scottish borders, parts of Wales and also northern England. That's something to watch out for. Even some localised flooding, some intense downpours of rain are possible. So that's how the afternoon shapes up. A little bit of sunshine still with us, anywhere from Lincolnshire down towards Kent. Otherwise, as I say, quite a bit of cloud building up and one or two heavy, possibly thundery showers turning up during the course of the afternoon. But a hot one in the southeast, 28 Celsius, that's 82 Fahrenheit. Perhaps around 4 or 5 o'clock we'll see the maximum temperature. Now then, on to tonight, we'll find that line of showery rain moving out of the way, but here comes the next one. That's going to bring some more rain across Northern Ireland and Scotland after the wet weather we've seen through this morning. So unsettled conditions here, a little bit of brightness in between, and a mild night in eastern areas, but cooler air and the fresher air starting to arrive in the second half of the night. So there's the forecast for holiday morning Monday. It looks like it's going to be rather wet, rather grey in a few places, especially up the western side of England and Wales, but eventually some brighter weather to follow on behind, but also with a risk of some heavy, possibly thundery showers, and considerably cooler than we've seen today. 19 or 20 will be our top temperature. On to Tuesday's forecast, still a risk of some cloud and rain coming back up from the south. We're not 100% sure exactly what that's going to do, but certainly more persistent rain across parts of Scotland and a fresh breeze here as well. Generally cooler for all of us. So a summary of the Golden Jubilee celebrations weather. Today, dry and hot in the east, but heavy downpours arriving from the west. Monday and Tuesday, take your brolly, cool and showery for all of us. If you're interested in the football, of course, there is a match on BBC One tomorrow, and you can catch all the details, as I say, here on BBC One. Brazil versus Turkey. It looks like there'll be some outbreaks of rain possible in the north of Korea, southern Korea dry, and it looks like 21 will be the temperature for that kick-off at 10 a.m. Now, looking further ahead then, well, these weather fronts do start to bring some more persistent rain, hence my initial comments about not requiring the watering can. It looks like we are going to see rain just about everywhere over the back end of next week, and some of that rain could be persistent for a time, all moving out of the way by the time we get to the end of the week, but plenty of showers to follow on behind. So Wednesday's forecast brings some sunshine, but also some showery rain here and there. Temperatures down to around 17 or 18 degrees. Then on Thursday, the more persistent rain starts to move through, and then by Friday, it's a mix of sunshine and